Now, title chasing Tevin Foster moved to the top of the Jockeys standings after dominating Saturday's 10-race card with a 5-timer, including riding Victorious Links to victory in the co-feature Margaret Parchment Trophy, a restricted allowance 2 contest for native-bred fillies going 6 furlongs at Caymanas Park, while 11-1 shot Commander Z created an upset to land the feature Kaz Hoshay Trophy. Denise Walters has our racing review.
With former leader atop the Jockeys, the standing 2-time champion Radish Roman out as a result of injury, it's becoming a case of when the cat's away, the mice will play. And Tevin Foster is playing for keeps. For the past 3 race meets, Foster has ridden 10 winners, including riding London Spirit to victory, landing his first Jamaica Derby, taking his tally for the season to 60, one more than Roman. On Saturday, Foster started his rampage as early as the second event aboard Modern Monarch. He won the 5th and 6th with Money Box and Prince Fiani for Joseph Thomas and Omar Williams respectively, before returning to pilot the 4-5 choice Victorious Links to an easy victory in the Margaret Parchment Trophy.
Victorious Links is under tender handling. The rider has a look behind. That's Tevin Foster, and Victorious Links is coasting home, arriving at the furlong pole with what looks to be an unstoppable advantage. Midnight Travel on the outside, over against the rail. That's a Wanyanza Links, but it's Victorious Links victorious in the 4th running of the Margaret Parchment Trophy by double digits. Wanyanza Links gets second.
Conditioned by Lawrence Fremantle, Victorious Links won by an impressive 13 1/4 lengths in 1 minute 11 and 4. Foster then closed out his 5-timer with the Rowan R. Matty trained Sky Rizzi in the 8th event. In 2024, Foster was in a close battle with Roman, the latter prevailing 133 to 132 to win the championship. Meanwhile, 11-1 shot Commander Z with Ian Dolly Baby in the saddle upstaged his more fancy overnight rivals to win the feature Kaz Hoshay Trophy.
I dream again, trying to get back to Commander Z. Star Aura taking aim on them. It's still Commander Z in front. Commander Z is fleet of foot this afternoon and begins to sprint away. Commander Z and Ian Dolly Baby Spence will land the Kaz Hoshay, 4th running of it.
Conditioned by Philip Fiani, 5-year-old chestnut horse Commander Z won in 1 minute 06 flat by 1 1/4 lengths. And 6-1 chance Boss Over Boss created a mild upset to win the Cradle Stakes going 3 furlongs straight as the 2-year-old season got underway. Racing continues next Saturday. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.